Hi everyone, my name is Richard. Today is the 29th of September 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the upcoming expiry on the 4th of October 2024. Now, the max OI level has increased for both CE and PE, that's positive. Quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. Change is higher for CE, that's negative. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is still below 1, that's negative. Implied volatility and implied volatility is higher, which is negative. Historical volatility is lower, that's positive. RSI is higher, that's positive. No divergence, that's positive. ADX is higher, that's positive. ATR is lower, that's positive. EMAs are both higher, that's positive. VWAP is higher, pivot point is higher, and the candlestick is bullish. That's three positives. Overall, the new support is, let me change this. I don't know why this hasn't saved. This should be 250. The new support is 250. Previous week's support was 235. And the new resistance is 270. And the previous week's resistance was 250. And the overall prediction is that Tesla goes up. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.